Hello guys, welcome back. Let's have a look how we can solve this problem. So first of all, I will create one dictionary, that is employee info, and I will use Rohan or employee name as a key. Rohan and the colon and value. So value will be the second dictionary. So it is like dictionary inside dictionary. Okay, so you practiced with list, with inside list, and nested tuples, and this is nested dictionary. So the first key will be phone number, like phone number is something. Then second key will be department, DPT. So suppose he is working in R&D. And the third one is address. So suppose he is from Delhi. This one is one information, okay, and this is the element 1 of this dictionary. So you have to put comma because these are different elements. So this is a single element, so you have to put comma here and copy. I will enter. This is the other employee, so Zarin, and I will change this number something, and he is from R&D, same department, and BLR like Bangalore. Now what is the requirement of our program? So first of all, user should enter employee name. Okay, so for that you have to create one variable name equals row input, and inside you have to pass this string. So please use row input because we are playing with string. And let's have a request variable equals, again we need one row input because we want this input. Phone number P, we need to take the input of choices. Now what we have to do is, according to choice, we need to give the output. So for that we will select the key. If request equals, this is the variable of request, equals P, then key will be phone number. In same manner we can create our choice. So I will let you know conditions and all in next sessions. So you have to know about how if will work. If it is true, then key will assign to phone number. If request equals D, then key will be department. Okay, and third is, if request is A, then key will be address. So as I told you, we can check the membership. So user entered the name, so we can check is name available in employee info. If yes, like true, come inside it. Print. So you have to print in this format. Rohan's, like this is the name, and then key, then value. So name plus you are concatenating apostrophe s, key plus Rohan's phone number is plus employee info. So first index will be name because the first key is name, and the second key will be your key. Let's run it. enter employee name. Employee name is Rohan, and I want to know in which department he is working. D. So Rohan department is R&D. So this is a small program and you can create using with dictionary. So let's come to the main picture. We are using some building functions. So we can use a clear for deleting the elements in the dictionary. So we are having this dictionary D and we are doing d.clear. So using this built-in function we can delete our dictionary. So it got deleted. So the second built-in function is copy. Let's have a look how it will work. Suppose you are having x equals, this is your dictionary, name is the key like PK, and phone numbers. So PK has a lots of phone numbers, so you can use as a value list 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So these are the phone numbers. So like that we can see. It's up to you how you are using dictionaries, but the functionality of dictionary is very vast. Now I will use y equals x dot copy. So you can see if you will move your cursor on it, so a solo copy of D. So this dictionary, a solo copy it will make for y, and print x is equals to x, and print y is equals y. Let's print it. So this is your x and this is y. So what is the problem with copy? Suppose I want to delete any element inside the list in this dictionary. Let's have a look. So y key is phone. So we can access using key. So this is called lookup. So accessing the element or accessing the value using key, that is called lookup. Okay. Dot remove. Like I want to remove 4 5 6. Okay. Now again try to print. See, so it got deleted from x also. I am deleting from y, but it got deleted from x also. So this is the problem with copy. So how to solve this problem? So we can solve this problem using deep copy. So just you can avoid it, you have to import from copy, import deep copy. And now same thing I will write again, same statement, and I will change only here one statement like x equals deep copy of x. Now see the output. Output is x will remain same and y only got deleted this value. So this is the benefit of deep copy. So like that you can use a lots of built-in functions which is provided for dictionary. Let's have a look. D dot clear from key, get, has key, items. You can use any of methods and you can try with them and try to play with all. Okay, so it will be very vast. So I will let you know about pop and item pop, how we can use them and what is the feature they provided. So suppose you have one dictionary, x equals like name, PK, phone, is and the third element is address. Address is Delhi. So this is the dictionary which is having these values or pairs. So just try to print first. So this is the dictionary, and now use print x dot pop item. So it will delete the last item and will return the only tuple of first. So this is a tuple. You can make the cursor on it. So remove and return some key value pair as the two tuples, but raise key error if D is empty. So like that we can use it. And how we can use pop? It's very easy. X dot pop, enter any key like name. Now just print X. Try to run it. So name got deleted. So using key you can delete the key value pair in dictionary. So your next assignment is count how many times alphabet appears in string. So you have to count the string frequency of alphabet. How many times alphabet occurs. So suppose he's running is a string and we wants to know how many times n came. So it is 3 times. So output should be 3.